Hey, hello dear guys, I just hope you are doing well. So in this video guys, I will be showing you how to solve inequality equations. So the moment you see this thing, it is what you call inequality. It's an inequality sign, by the way. Yeah, this equation, okay, let me just show you something. Here it's x plus 1, it's equal to. So if you see something like this is what we call equation, but this one, it is the inequality equation because of that sign. If you know how to solve for x, it will be easy for you to do these kind of questions there, because here what do? Obviously take this thing to the other side, then this will be 21 minus that, this is 20. So what is in front from what you need to divide by it there? Divide by it, cancel, x there will be what? Will be 4. Do you see? So when you are dealing with equations guys, equation they only deal with one answer, which is that answer there is this one there. It's 4. They only include only one answer there. Do you see? When you include that answer, you just shade there, use a dot, the meaning here you only include that answer. But what is happening to the inequality there? In inequality, what you should understand, this, it doesn't include only x there. It doesn't include only 4 there. Do you see? Here it will include more answers for x there. Let me show you there. You take this thing to the other side. This is x. That thing will change the sign. And that thing that will give you 20 there. Do you see? And now you know what is in front from what you need to divide by it. Meaning now x there will be, here it will be 4. What does this thing mean to you? This thing, it symbol means to you, here we got 4. Guys, you will go with that arrow there. Do you see that arrow? It is pointing on the right hand side. It means here you will do a circle, then you point on the right hand side there. Do you see this thing? Then you point on the right hand side. That thing, it symbol means that the values of x which are all less than 4 are the one which are suitable for this inequality equation there. All these values which are greater than 4 there are the values for x there. Do you see? Here we are including all the values which are greater than 4, meaning x there is greater than 4, meaning all the values which are greater than 4, they are included in this inequality equation. Do you see? So let me show you this one then. Even as well as this one there. If it was something like 2x 3 9 there. Okay, sorry, here let me just put equal there. If here there was equal, obviously you're going to take this thing to the other side. Here you will have 2x equal to 9 plus 3. Do you see? And this thing will give you 100 there. And you know what is in front from what you need, you divide by it, meaning x there was going to be 50. So this answer, it only includes 50 there. So it says that your answer here will just be, here it's 50, it only includes 50 there. Do you see? But now if guys you are dealing with the inequality equation, what do? You will take this thing obvious to the other side. Here it's 2x, meaning here it's 97 there, plus 3, which is that thing that will give you 100. And what is in front from what you need to divide by it, meaning x is less than 50. This thing, it symbol means that this inequality equation, it includes all the values which are less than 50 there. For all the values of x which are less than 50 will be included in that inequality there. Do you see? So now for you to draw a graph and a number line, you just do something like this then. Here it's 50, you just do a circle, then you point on that side there. Do you see this thing? Yeah. And no need for you to shade this thing, because that value of 50, it's not included. That value of 50, it's not included. It means for all the values which are less than, for all values of x which are less than 50 will be included in this inequality equation. Do you see? Yeah, so now let me show you what about this one there. Now if now there is this sign, do you see that sign? That sign is for equal there. It means that here we will include that answer there. So what you should do there, you just take this thing to the other side. Here it's 3x less than, and this thing it's positive 9 there. And now I can use my calculator. 29 plus 9, meaning that it's 36. So it simply says here it will be 36 there minus 3x there. And now you know what is in front from what you need, you divide by it there. Do you see? So it simply says that your answer now here will just be x. But now guys, you should be careful. If you are dividing with a negative number, inequality sign will change. If you divide or you multiply by the negative number both sides, you should know that inequality sign change. Please guys, keep that thing there. This inequality sign there will change direction, point on the right hand side. And here your answer now there will be what? 30 minus this, which is here, it's negative 12 there. It's minus 12 there. Do you see? Yeah. So it simply says that for all the values of x which are greater than negative 12, they will be included in this inequality equation there. Even as well as negative 12 will also be included, because there we got this sign there, which is what? Which is equal there. Meaning now for you to draw your number line there, you'll just do something like this there. Here it's 12, negative 12. Then you go with that arrow, guys. It is pointing on the right hand side. You also point on the right hand side. But because guys here there is equal, it means you will also include this value there. It means for all the values of x which are greater than or equal negative 12, they will be included in this inequality equation there. Do you see? Yeah. So let me also show you this one there. So guys, if you are able to solve for x, it will be easy for you to deal with this kind of questions there. So what you should do there, I can take this to the other side. At the same time, I can take that one to the other side. What is the reason of me taking this thing to the other side? It's because I want to take this thing to its like term. And this, I want to take it to a number there. Meaning now my inequality equation will become like this there. Here I will be left with positive 1. That thing there will become negative 3 there. Do you see? And this one there will become negative 3 or negative x. And here it's x that. Do you see this thing? And now these two things, they are like term. And remember here we got what? We got invisible one there. So it simply says that if these two things are like term, I'll just say 2 minus 1 there. Meaning 2 minus 1, I'll get what? I'll get 1. Meaning now my answer there will be 1x, which is less than. If I press this one there, it will just be 1 minus 3. So here it's minus 2. Do you see? And guys, no need for you to divide with a negative. No need for you to divide with positive 1. It simply says that this thing, that one, there will just be invisible there. Minus 2. Because if you divide with that one, still you'll get the same thing there. Do you see? So it simply says that for you to draw your number line, you just do this. Here it's minus 2. And you just do this. You go with that arrow. That arrow, it is pointing on the left hand side. But here, because there is that sign of equal, it means I also include that negative 2 there. So the answer here, it simply says that for all the values of x which are less than or equal to negative 2, they will be included in this inequality equation. So this one is your number line, and that one, it's your answer, this one. So now let me show you this one there. So for you to solve this question, this one is a straightforward there. What is in front from what you need, you divide by it. Divide by it. But now take note, guys, if you are dividing with a negative number, inequality sign will change direction, point on that side. And here it will be x. This thing will give you minus 3 there. Then for you to draw your number line, you just do something like this there. It's -3. Then you go with that arrow. And no need for you to shade, because here there is no equal. Do you see? Yeah.